morning from Universal Studios Hollywood. We are back after a couple years. We're excited. We need some coffee. But other than that, we're here for all the good stuff. Studio Tour, Jurassic World, Secret Life Pets, new to us.
Harry Potter.
Return to Waterworld.
Mummy, all of it.
Say hi to Shayna, our fearless leader at Magical Mouse Travel. Book your vacations to Universal Studios Hollywood or Universal Orlando Resort with Magical Mouse Travel. Me particularly, but also these people. And this is Josh. He's also part of that. And then there's
Shayna and also Josh.
So after our coffee run, we're now on our way to Secret Life of Pets, which is a new ride for us. We have not been here since they added it, so we're excited.
I love that the acronym for it is SLOP.
Slop the ride. None of us have seen this movie except for Shayna, but she doesn't remember. I'm excited.
I love you, man, but you are barely house-trained yourself.
Okay, so we just got out of Secret Life of Pets, and that was low-key one of the better rides.
So cute.
It was awesome.
Adorable.
I love New York.
Super cute, full animatronics. It's like Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm overselling it a little bit. It's like Pirates, but with little doggos and cats. You know, like given the amount of animatronics, it was like so many of them.
A lot.
Yeah, I was like, what family dark ride has a ton of animatronics? None. Sick. That's pretty good. for what they call the world famous Universal Studio Tour.
One of the greatest attractions in any theme park anywhere in the world.
Often imitated, never replicated.
Right. But I
There
always
we are,
say.
the official, the only, the one and only.
And probably the best view from any ride queue ever.
Right?
I beseech you to find me a ride queue that's like, oh, that's prettier than the Studio Dream. Sorry.
Well, okay, there's that. But wait, there's more. It's a train. It's coming right at us. I regret nothing. Is everybody all right? You look thirsty. How about a nice cool drink?
So we did the studio tour. We had lunch at the French Street Bistro. I think I ate too much. I had a quiche and a sandwich and a drink. So I gotta walk it off. But I'm over here taking the escalators, not the stairs, but it is what it is. Yeah, beautiful view of San Fernando Valley, Burbank, all the good stuff. So, and here we have some Melbourne Horror Nights work, but most importantly, they got Super Nintendo World right over there. Looking awesome.
Super Nintendo.
Super Nintendo!
Very unique sound, all from her sciences. Yes, sir. How are you? What's your name? Diego, very nice to meet you, Diego. My name is Benny Jordan. Nice to meet you.
Alright guys, we're about to ride Jurassic World for the first time. I'm really excited because we rode this a lot when it was still Jurassic Park, kind of like one of those fates. Obviously you've seen the videos, you've seen what's supposed to happen, it runs all smoothly. So we're really excited to check it out, and we'll check back to you guys when we have experienced it.
containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please, security is deployed. They will get you to safety.
Owen Brady, the dominant escape. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Asset control.
Rescue team to access Tunnel 6 now! Turn on. Am I on? Is this on? Listen to me. Do not panic. You can see me. I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
So we just got off Jurassic World, and holy shit, that was very good.
It was perfect.
Better than we expected. Animatronics are better than we expected. The first scene with the screens are better than we expected.
Oh my
Overall,
gosh.
really good stuff. We still don't get too wet. Woo! But yeah, good
Marvelous.
stuff. Probably our favorite ride here, for sure. Shayna's very wet. She's very confused.
Shayna's wet. She's like, what do you mean we didn't too wet? I got pretty wet, but I already
I'm
cried
actually not super wet.
because of my amphibious outfit that I wear.
But yeah, overall,
But yeah, 10 out of 10.
good stuff. Probably best ride here.
Top tier Universal attraction. Top
I need
tier
them to
dark
do this
ride.
in Orlando too. Make it all Jurassic World.
Absolutely marvelous.